Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School. While there are some niches that would successfully work in terms of monetization, there are some specific niches you should never dive into as a beginner. And those are the niches we will be talking about in this video. But before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with the latest information on how to change your life and quit your 9-to-5 for good with YouTube automation. Now, let's get right into it. Meditation. Generally, experts and gurus will always recommend that you go for the meditation niche. But honestly, as a beginner, it is one of the biggest mistakes you can ever make. Many people follow the advice of dishonest internet marketers and launch such channels in the hope of automating their success on YouTube. This is not the way to launch a new channel. There are profitable channels in this niche, but the major issue is the repetition of content. Many people today rely on free stock photo sites like Pixabay, Pixels, and many others. They'll get those clips off the internet and combine them with existing videos and music to make a video. This means virtually anyone can do that, and if you are simply collecting already existing content from the web, it is very hard to stand out from the competition and make money off your channel. In other words, that is the #1 blunder individuals make when they first launch a meditation channel. Additionally, directly copying and pasting other people's content causes YouTube to demonetize your channel, making it almost useless for the purpose you intend to start a YouTube channel for. Now, for those of you who don't want to heed to the advice of an anonymous talking robot on the internet, here's what you should do if you want to start a meditation channel the right way. To increase your chances of getting into YouTube's partner program with a mediation channel, you should definitely add original content to your videos. That doesn't mean you have to make everything yourself. Even if you use stock footage, here are a few ways to make your videos more unique. Number 1. Try adding small animations and things that move. For example, to ask your viewers to follow you or subscribe to your channel using simple animations overlaid on top of royalty-free stock footage. Number 2. Don't just use music that is free to use and already on thousands of other videos. Use good meditation music that was made to help you relax and think. Freelancing and social media platforms like Instagram are stacked with hungry and talented artists that are eager to be heard. So slide into those DMs and make an offer they can't resist. Number 3. The best thing to do is to make your own video. After all, it shouldn't be too hard to use your cell phone to record some peaceful nature or city scenes. So tap into your inner zen and find a slice of natural ambience that you can share with the world. Compilation videos. A lot of people are into compiling videos and doing a voiceover with them. Why? Because it's easy, of course. If you aren't being unique and you just take those videos and join them together, this would become a problem because this content does not comply with YouTube's policies and you will not be able to monetize them. Additionally, because these channels only collect the clips and edit them together, there's no distinction between you and anyone that is in this same niche category. If you plan to start a YouTube automation channel and you have selected this niche, please do yourself a favor and reconsider. But if you are a strong and independent woman who don't need no man, we are not here to stop you. Here's what you should do if you want to start a compilation channel the right way. Most of the time, compilations are listed as content that can't be used to make money unless you own the rights to the footage. But a lot of YouTube compilation channels make money, and lots of it. How could this be? After all, YouTube staff say that compilations can't be used to make money. Well, to put it simply, compilation channels that make money usually use video clips that are covered by fair use or have a Creative Commons license. So, most of the time, you won't be able to make money off compilations on YouTube. However, if the video clips used in the compilations are covered by fair use or have a Creative Commons license, they can be used to make money. Hello, Bugatti. Now, here's the secret to making money with this niche. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can submit your videos for approval to use Google AdSense to monetize compilations. On the other side, several compilation channels monetize their content by selling related stuff like t-shirts. Affiliate marketing for the win. Of course, AdSense is the most straightforward approach to get money from compilations if you can implement it. Simply upload videos and get paid for each view they receive. However, if your compilation channel can't earn money using AdSense, selling items tied to the videos published is a great alternative. The uploading of sports highlight videos, for instance, could lead to the sale of apparel and other memorabilia associated with that sport. The idea is to make sure the products you're trying to market are appropriate for the people who are likely to watch your videos. Motivation niche. Everyone likes motivation, sometimes even more than actually putting the work in, but we'll save that for another video. You can find speeches and inspiring talks from Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and many other successful business people online, and many individuals will make TikToks telling you this is true. Download the audio, use stock footage to create videos and sell them. However, while some may be making money from this now, the likelihood of this practice being demonetized is very high. Once more, the problem you'll start to notice is that anyone can do this. You need to download it, upload the video, and you're done. In essence, you are stealing content or downloading videos from others to resell it, which is against the law. So, it is better to stay away from doing this to avoid facing certain issues after you might have started. But, for our automation school edgelords who are going to do this anyways, here is how you can be successful with motivation. Getting accepted into the YouTube Partner Program is crucial if you want to monetize a motivational channel on YouTube. Not only that, but there are a number of regulations that you must obey. In order to join the YouTube Partner Program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. If your content doesn't fit YouTube standards, don't expect to be accepted. That's right. You can't make money off of a channel if each video is essentially the same. However, you shouldn't fill your channel with content that was generated automatically or was made using a pre-existing layout. Reusing content is another factor that will prohibit you from making money. Reusing someone else's work without significantly enhancing it with new information or commentary is what we mean when we talk about recycled content. Add your own source and become the boss. Channels without voiceovers. The YouTube monetization program requirements clearly state that there must be added value, so going into channels without voiceover could be the end of your just starting YouTube automation career. Now, if you're automating YouTube for a cash cow channel, you frequently use stock videos, internet clips, and short clips to create fresh videos. But this kind of niche is simply without the voiceover. Pretty lazy, to be honest. Again, using already used content is just the same as stealing someone else's content, therefore disobeying the YouTube rule, making this impossible to monetize. Just get a voiceover dude. But if you are determined to share your voiceless art, be our guest. Here's what you should do to have a chance at monetization. While it's true that having a voice or a face can increase your chances of making money on YouTube, this is not necessary. Making money on YouTube is possible in a variety of ways besides posting videos of oneself. Use pre-existing movies and annotate them with affiliate links to the goods you wish to sell. Or, if you're capable, make tutorials for other YouTubers with ad breaks at the beginning and finish. Finally, Google AdSense is a convenient approach to earn some extra cash each month. Gaming. This is a highly competitive niche in YouTube automation. The YouTube automation niche with the fastest global growth rate is the video gaming sector. It has produced nearly $100 billion in internet sales with over 3 billion players, beating both film and television. This research demonstrates that if you pick a lucrative sector like gaming, you can amass lifetime wealth. But as successful as this might be, it can be difficult to dive into as it is highly competitive, and there is a high percentage chance that, as a beginner, you could find it difficult to earn from your new channel under this niche. Sorry nooblettes, just being honest. But if you want to go for glory, Automation School has your back. Here's how you can conquer the gaming niche. Serve a niche gaming community or target a niche within a big game. And as always, keywords are your friends. Top 10 clips channel for shooters or lore channels for games can be highly lucrative and scalable, but make sure you are making the videos your own, especially if you use other people's streaming clips. Now, let's say you've built a big YouTube channel and have fans who care enough about you to pay for your videos. They know that investing in you will likely allow you to keep making videos or buy better tools to improve the overall quality of your videos. You've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which means you can now put ads on your videos. But while that money is nice, it probably isn't enough to help you reach your more immediate YouTube goals. The good news is that, as a partner, YouTube gives you a lot of ways to make money from your channel. Here's a couple of them. Number 1. Super Chats. These allow content creators to earn money from their online chats. Fans who want to get a creator's attention beyond a comment or other form of engagement can do it by making monetary contributions to their favorite channels. Number 2. Channel memberships. If your channel has reached a particular level of popularity, you may additionally monetize it through channel memberships. About 30,000 subscribers are required for this, unless you run a game channel, in which case you only need 1,000. We hope you got some value out of this video. As always, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for the best YouTube automation content on the web. Until next time, see you later, automators.